Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to FX Quest. We're running a bit late this morning, very late this morning, but we're here. First video on YouTube. Let's get things started. Let's see if we have any trades this. I said whether come rain or shine, this is going to be my first video. Okay, we have today's date, September 30th, 2024. See if any news happening today that we should be aware of. Okay, news at 1:55. So let's see if anything can happen between now and then. First rule of thumb, I don't trade the news. I avoid the news at all costs. Okay, I do have a system that I use. I won't show it right now, reveal it, because I'm still working on it. And it's a pretty good system. It's pretty good. Wait to see if I get these signals and we'll go from there. I really have to get my trading set up properly because switching between these two monitors, one monitor display is off, so all of my indicators are not showing up properly, displaying properly. So this is something I have to work on in the next coming days. Let's wait. That's part of trading. Trading is a waiting game, waiting for the right setups. So we continue to wait until something happens. Still waiting on the proper setup. Um, Looking back, I saw a couple of trades that I missed, would have been very good to start off the day, but can't go back. So we gotta look forward and see what's coming. For this channel, it's gonna be mostly scalping and day trading. So yeah, that's basically what I do. If I see an opportunity to take something different, I may do it, but scalping and day trading is my thing. I had to change my display. It's pretty good now, but all this changing has lost me some time. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. First tip of the day: be prepared. So I'm gonna be pausing these videos through and through, so you may see some shifts in the video, but it doesn't make sense running the video all the time and nothing is happening. So we'll pause and come back whenever something happens. Okay, I think I got a signal here. Um, GBP CAD. I'm going to take GBP CAD sell. This is just going to be a quick scalp, but let's see how it goes. Well, it may be a little more than a scalp. So we took the trade. We'll pause the video and see the results a little later. Okay, just to be transparent, I took two trades today. Lost both of my trades. Sell on GBP CAD and a sell on. That's trading for you. Not a great way to start uh, my series, but it is what it is. I'm done for the day. Uh, there's a lot of little glitches and things today. Woke up too late, so yeah, it wasn't a great day how I started out. So tomorrow I'll come more prepared. My computer is slowing down with all the stuff that's open, so I'm gonna trade on one screen like I normally do. I was thinking that split screen would have helped me out more, but I'm used to trading on one screen. I just have to edit out the part where my system is. Results of it. I'm taking the trades, but hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. That's it for the day for me, and we'll see what happens tomorrow.